You say that if we change our thinking, we can change our lives.
Oh, we do. We do, constantly, all the time. You think a negative thought, you're going to go on a downward spiral. You think a positive thought, will attract wonderful things to you. I have come to realize it boils down to choosing the thoughts you think and choosing the foods you eat. And when you can be wise in both areas, you have perfect health. Because the body knows how to take care of itself, but not if you give it a lot of junk. Look in the mirror, especially first thing in the morning, and just look in their eyes and say their name and say, I love you. I really, really love you. And this is enormously hard for most people to do to begin with, but as you continue to do it, it makes a big difference. You see, life loves you. Life really loves you. But if you don't love yourself, it's very hard for life to bring you the goodies.
It doesn't matter what happens in your life, you are more than any moment.
Give no place to guilt. Give no place to worry. Give no place to bitterness.
First thing in the morning and last thing in the evening, I want you to look into your eyes and say, I love you. I really love you.
Imagine your life is like a container. You were created to be filled with joy, peace, confidence, creativity. But if you allow worry in, it pushes out the peace. There's not space for both. It's easy to go through life holding on to things that are weighing us down. Guilt, resentment, doubt, worry. The problem is when we allow these things in, they're taking up space for the good things that should be there.
What you are thinking now is creating the way you feel in your body now and your experiences tomorrow.
You control what's in your container. You control what you think about, what you choose to allow in.
There's no challenge you can't face and overcome. The events of our lives don't control our lives, our decisions do.
And the reason some people don't enjoy their lives is because their container, their heart is contaminated with so many things. They have 10% worried, stressed out over their job, 12% bitterness, mad at their neighbor, 20% guilt, beating themselves up for past mistakes, 9% jealousy, their coworker is more beautiful. They don't realize 70% of their container is negative.
But if you don't love yourself, it's very hard for life to bring you the goodies. You have the freedom to think anything you want. You were born extremely confident. You came into this world knowing how wonderful you are. So choose new thoughts to think about yourself and choose new words to tell yourself how magnificent you are and that you deserve all the good that life has to offer. Today is a new day. Today is a day for you to begin creating a joyous, fulfilling life. Today is the day to begin to release all your limitations. Today is the day for you to learn the secrets of life. You can change your life for the better. You already have the tools within you to do this. These tools are your thoughts and your beliefs.
And we all have negative emotions, negative feelings. But you have to make the choice. I'm not going to give this jealousy, this bitterness, this anger, valuable space and let it poison my life. I'm going to protect what I allow in me.
An affirmation opens the way. It is a beginning point of change. Every thought you think and every word you speak is an affirmation. Every time you get angry, you are affirming that you want more anger in your life. Every time you feel like a victim, you are affirming that you want to continue to feel like a victim. If you feel that life does not give you what you want in your world, then it is certain you will never have the goodies that life gives to others until You change the way you think and talk.